Hello everyone, welcome to the class. This is Mohan Raj, your trainer, and this is Genesis training. And as we are aware that we are going through speed maths classes one by one videos, so today we are going to see how to find cubes of a number, mostly a two-digit number, okay? And sometimes a simple three-digit can also be found easily with the formula and techniques we are going to learn today, okay? So previously we have learned cubes. Before that we had squares also. So we learned how to find the squares of a number. I had two tactics. One is using the base method and the one using a identity, algebraic identity, a plus b whole square, right? So and a minus b whole square. So today let's see how to find cubes of a simple two-digit numbers quickly without wasting much time. And I know you remember that while finding the squares of a number, we had to remember squares till 30, which was easy to remember, right? Same way, we need to learn the basic cubes, at least till 20 is must, till 15 is minimum, so it is easy to find till 15 and remember it. So I have just extended till 20, so more you remember, it's better for you. So let's see the numbers. So I have this 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Whereas 11 cube is 1331, 12 cube is 1728, 1728, 13 cube is 2197, 14 cube is 2744, 15 cube is 3375, 16 cube is 4096, 17 cube is 4913, 18 cube is 5832, 19 cube is 6859, 20 cube is 8000. Guys, till 15 it is very easy to remember. Just push a little bit to remember till 20. So it will be easy for you to do the calculations. Okay, so let us see how to find cube of any other number with an example. Let me start with an example myself. Let me take an example. So let us talk about 21 cube. We have now till 20, right? Let's talk about 21 cube. So in the square class, I was talking about a plus b whole square. Here let us recall this cube, a plus b whole cube. What is the expression of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? But instead of doing this, let us keep it as a cube plus b cube, and let me take a common thing here, 3ab outside. So let's keep a factor a plus b within the bracket. This will help us in a very easy way to get the cube. A minus b whole cube will be a cube. It's everywhere minus sign now, but if you write in this format, you will have minus and plus mixed. So, but when you write in the taking common 3ab outside, it will be always minus. So it is easy to remember, and also this factor a plus b is a number itself, so you can replace it here. That is why I prefer this. Okay, so let's see how to find the cube of 21 now using this formula. 21 whole cube is going to be 20 plus 1 whole cube. So we need to recall the multiplication techniques as well here. 20 cube plus 1 cube into 3 into 20 into 1 into 20 plus 1 is 21. You can keep it as 21 itself. What is 20 cube? 20 cube is 8000, we know it. And 1 cube is 1. 3 into 20 is 60. I have to multiply 60 into 21. How will you multiply 60 into 21? This is a still easy number. We can just directly multiply that. 21 into 6 is 126, followed by 1 more 0. Right? How will you add this? Again, adding from the left hand side. 8000 plus 1000, 9000. And then 260. And then 1. So my answer is going to be 9261. This is 21 cube. Okay. So that means we are going to use this formula, a plus or minus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab into a plus or minus b. Right? So plus in the place here minus. So wherever plus is there, it is a plus b means always plus, a minus b means it's always minus. We can use this formula. Okay? So let us see the example now. 21, just now we finished. Let's go for next example, 34. 34 cube. So you can write it as 35 minus 1, but I try to avoid this. I better go for always plus, because only addition is always going to be more simpler than subtraction, right? So what is this? 30 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 30 into 4 into 30 plus 4 is 34. Let's keep it as 34 only. 9 cube, 3 cube, 27, followed by 3 zeros. And 4 cube is 64. And this is going to be a little task, but not a problem because we know how to multiply them, right? So 3 into 30, 90. 90 into 4 is 360 into 34. Now to make it simple, anyway this 0 will be there at the end here. So we are going to take it as 2-digit numbers only, 36 into 34. And we know the method, Vedic maths method, we are going to multiply that way, or you can even use the base method. Okay? So 6 fours are 24, carry is 2. We remember this in our mind. 3 fours are 12, plus 2, 14. 14 plus 18. 14 plus 18 is 32, carry is 3. 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So this is the number 1, 2, 2, 4 and 0 for this 0. And 64 and we have 27,000. Now next step is adding the thousands only. 27,000 plus 12,000 is 39,000. Let's get 39,000. And one more 100 is there. 200. And then I have 40 plus 60, 100, one more 104. If you add all of them, we get 41,104. That will be the cube of 34. Fine. Let's go for the next number. 72 cube. 72 cube, again I am going to write it as 70 plus 2 whole cube, which can be expanded as 70 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 2 into 70 into 72. So 7 cube, 343, that's why I gave you the table, followed by 3 zeros, plus 2 cube is 8, plus 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 70 is your favorite number, 420 into 72. So again this will end with 0, I am going to multiply this as 42 into 72. And you know how to multiply using our method from the Vedic maths. 2 into 2, 4, no carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 14 is 22. 2 is there. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So 3024. When you keep it here, it is 30,240. This 8 remains here, and then 3,43,000 comes here. So all the zeros should be properly placed. So 3 lakh is there. I'll keep it as it is. Remember this number is bigger, so we got 6 digits now. Alright? 3 lakh is there, and then I have 30,000 plus 40,000 is 70,000, and I have 3,000, and this is 3,000 as it is. I'm going to write, this is not 1,000, and then we have 248. So I'm going to directly add this without elaborating this much. So 37,000, 3 lakh, 73,248. This is our cube. How fast you can do is left to you. Your practice will make you do it faster. Let's try 105 now. It's a 3-digit number. 3-digit number, cube might give you even 9 digit if it's a very big number, but it's a very small number. I may get 7 digits. You have 7 or 8 or 9. Now I might get 7 digits only. So this can be seen as 100 plus 5 whole cube. Again, we are going to see it as 100 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 into 100 into 5 into 105. So 100 cube, 1 followed by 6 zeros. So it is 10 lakh, 1 million, you can say, 25 plus 300 into 5 is 1500 into 105. Okay, so how will you multiply 1500 into 105? It's very simple. It's actually we'll put two zeros here aside. So let's not worry about 1500 now, only 15. It is 1575, guys. So it's going to be 1575 followed by two zeros plus here 25, here plus 10 lakh. See the zeros, don't miss out any zero, properly you have to write it. 6 zeros, that is 1 million. So I have 10 lakh and 1,57,500. So total 11 lakh. Yes, total 11 lakh. And then 57,500 also I can write directly, and then 25. So the answer is 11,57,525. This would be the cube of this number. Let's see one more example. 63. How to find cube of 63? Again, 60 plus 3 whole cube. I am not using minus at all because I want to avoid that subtraction, because more the subtraction, there is a chance of making more mistake. So 3 into 60 into 3 into 63. Right? 6 cube you should be knowing by this time. 216 followed by 3 zeros because of 60. And 3 cube is 27. And 3 into 60 is 180. 180 3s are, see, tables are important, I told you. 540 into 63. Again, I'll keep the 0 here. I'm going to multiply it as 54 into 63. So 4 3s are 12, carry is 1. 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16. 16 plus 24 is 40, carry is 4 now. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 is 34. So this will be 34,020. And this is 27. And this is 2,16,000. So what I get here is 2 lakh as it is. I am just using the rule properly so that I don't make mistakes. 16,000 plus 34,000 will give you 50,000. And then 20 plus 20, 40 plus 7, 47. Our answer is going to be 2,50,047. That will be our answer. This is cube of 63. Last number 49. Just for you to understand how to use negative, I am just using this. 50 minus 1 whole cube. So that is 50 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 50 into 1 into 49. Right? And 50 cube is 125 followed by 3 zeros. And we are subtracting 1 minus 3 into 50 is 150 into 49. So 150 into 49. I'm going to keep this 0 here. So it's going to be 15 into 49 then. Not 150 now, 15 into 49. So you know it is even easier. 15 40s are 600, 15 9s are 135. Right, so it's going to be 735. So it is 7350. And I have to subtract 1 also from this 1,25,000. So we'll add the negative numbers first and then subtract the total from the positive number. So 7351 has to be subtracted from this. Right? So 1 lakh remains as it is. In the 25,000 we should not remove 7 because we have to borrow 1 here. So 24,000 minus 7,000 will give you 14,000. If I'm not wrong, 24 minus 7 is 17, sorry. It's going to be 17,000. And I have now 1,000. In the 1,000, if you remove 300, it's not difficult, it's difficult to remove 51. So it's going to be 900 minus 6, 300, 600. Now I have 100. In the 100, I have to remove 51. It's going to be 49. So our answer is 1,17,649. So this is the 6-digit number now. Yes. So that's how it is. It's going to be the answer. So that's the end of the video. Now you have the questions to practice. Find the cube of these following numbers using the methods I taught you, and you can use it and practice it. You can also take your own random numbers and check the answer by verifying using your calculator. Thank you.